Hey, this is Michelle Reese. I own coastalartdesigns.com, and I have great news for people that have been wondering how to have multilingual website using Squarespace because they don't offer it. I've looked everywhere possible, and I want to know if any of you have found went into the forums and found that every single time someone asks a question, the topic of how to make a multilingual page or anything like that, they always redirect you to the multilingualizer.com, okay? And it's $79 to $499 a year to one-time payment, but that's what they recommend you to use in order for you to have a multilingual site. Well, I can't afford it. I can't. I'm not gonna, and I swear to God, I'm not going to pay that much money for just to have a multilingual site. But the problem with me is I do have Philippines, Russia, Germany, Canada. I do have them as my top one sites or countries that visit my sites besides the United States. So I wanted to come up with something. So I was looking at my blog, my old blogger, because it's still up. I don't know why I haven't deleted it. I guess because when it tells me to delete it, it pops up and says, "Are you sure this could be this?" And so, anyways, I was going to steal the code from the widget, which I didn't get a chance to, and I was going to use it for my website and hope I didn't get in trouble for it. But instead, I found out how you do it, and Squarespace has been hiding it from us. So you go to the Google Translate with Squarespace. Okay, hit the Google Translate. It's real easy, and you'll see all this stuff, and it says page and all that. You don't have to do that. Okay, what you're gonna do is you want to go about Google Translate. Translate. That's it. And then it knocks you into here, and you go Tools, and it goes, you want to expand your audience, and you say free website translator. Let's get started with that. Okay, I'm gonna add my website. Oh, I gotta sign in. Wait, I don't know what this is doing. Okay, but anyways, let's do my website because I already have it on my site, but I hope it doesn't matter that I keep on doing it over and over, showing the video because I don't like the video that I make the first 3 times. Anyways, you hit next, and then you can design it the way you want it. Now, I'm going to tell you right now. I might change mine. I'm not sure. I like that site that better. I have the horizontal one. I think this one's prettier. The vertical one I don't like. I think this one's prettier. So I'm going to change it to that. It says your page contains content in multi languages, and that's not true. So anyways, you don't have to follow that. You get the code. So we copy the code here, and then you go to your Squarespace and go to, let's see if this is working. It's not working. Darn it. I'm having some problems with my website. Oh God, really? See, it logs me out. I don't know what's wrong with it. But here we go again. I'll probably get banned from YouTube to use my videos because they take too long. But anyways, let's go here. Let's go. Okay, we're going to go to, of course, settings. You see mine's up there right now, but I'm going to change it to that different one. You go to advanced. Where's advanced? There it is. That's a big arrow. And you go to code injection. And I did mine on the header because this is why I did it on the header. Because if someone comes, now you put your code in and stuff like that, and you save it. Someone comes to your site that is from Germany and wants to know if you have a translated site, and when they don't see it because they have to scroll down and stuff like that, maybe they'll assume you don't have it and they'll leave your website. This way, they are up there and they can translate it to thousands of different. Not thousands, but many different ways of translating it. Okay, and guess what? It goes on every page that you can imagine. It even goes on your product page. Okay, let's go to your shop. Let's go back. Product page. Oh, shoot. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Let's go to shop. And then go back. And look, it's on your, wait, it's on your thing. It's on your website that has your shop and everything. So, please, Tell me how you like this video. Did you find it useful? And if you did, please sign up for my my newsletter, because I'm going to be having once a month. I'm going to be having unbelievable exclusive stuff for you guys to know. Things that I find that nobody has find before, or I haven't seen them anyways, and free gifts and all that kind of stuff. Another thing is subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment and let me know what you guys think of this. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice evening.